I'm Timothy Courtney. I started the Made in Gimp movement because I'm passionate about photography, art, and video games, and I don't think anyone should have a barrier of any kind to creating anything. I made Lucas the game in 2015, which was the first ever published video game to use Gimp for all the art. Gimp is free to use and it's the best. It's all I use anymore. I'm against closed up, walled off, overly expensive softwares trying to convince people that they're a must. They're not a must. Gimp is a must. In a short period of time after watching this video, your photos from now on are so much better. So much better that you're getting all kinds of attention, admiration, offers, because you make great, beautiful photos that can be magazine covers. So here we go. 5 things to be a good photo editor using Gimp. Number 5, it doesn't matter if your original photo isn't that great. It can be pretty good and you can make it great. This is a picture I photographed in Galveston a few years ago at the historic mansion of Julius H. Rule. This famous house survived the 1900 storm that happened in Galveston. It was the deadliest storm to ever hit America. A hurricane that unfortunately killed hundreds of people, but many people survived the hurricane by running into the house you're looking at. They begged at the door to be let inside, and they let a lot of people come inside, and those people survived the storm. 2 years later, the Galveston seawall was built to prevent such a disaster from ever happening again. So I took this photo of this house. I was walking down the street doing, my photography thing. If you look though, you can see that you could do the same thing. You could just walk right up in front of this house. You could hold your camera straight. You could take the photo that you see on the left. It's a good photo, but there are issues. I took this good photo and I made it great with Gimp. If you're thinking, well, you have technical skills in Gimp that I don't have, guess what? I learned everything I needed to know along the way by making it in Gimp. I had my art skills, my photography skills, and what I learned about Gimp was from using Gimp. It's a process, and every time you make something, the next time it's a little easier. So you don't have to have a great photo. A good photo is good enough. You can make it great with Gimp. If you feel that your photos aren't even good, then you need to study the basics of photography, which includes composition, having an interesting subject, and then just keep shooting. Just do those 3 things. Just keep shooting. Bring your camera with you everywhere you go and ignore the looks from people as you shoot your way through daily life. You'll soon have a growing collection of good and sometimes great photos. Number 4, if you don't